Hello, welcome to Tech Dive AV Club. It's Adam, and I'm here to tell you a channel update. So, if you'll notice down here, I've got Movie Studios and Vegas Pro installed. This is actually Vegas Pro 15. I've got 16 installed on my laptop. That's where the tutorials have been coming from. But pretty soon, I'm going to have lots more tutorials, and here's why. I'm actually going full-time freelancing. And I'm really excited to announce it. It's been in the works for a while now, but I will be full-time freelancing in the next few months. So then you're going to see a large uptick in content, a large uptick in quality, because since I'm freelancing, I will be doing video content pretty regularly, and I'll have more control over my schedule, and this is something I want to be a bigger part of my life. So I want to do a lot more of. I want to be more in depth. I want to have more details. I want to make them more fun. I want to keep them as educational as possible, meaning like I want to make sure that I'm not wasting your time in any of these, but I'm teaching you, and I'm teaching you well. I'm teaching you with the best content. I want to start making Udemy tutorials where I'm not taking things away from the YouTube channel, but I'm able to build out and give you full editable packages where I can deliver them to you. And if you get the Udemy tutorial, you could even follow me on editing projects and learn not just like how to do different things, but how to do editing skills. I want to do more videos here on YouTube about equipment, and I want to do more videos about camera shots and how to do different things and how to do more special effects. I want to talk about all sorts of stuff. There's so much more to dive into. We've barely gotten started, and I'm raring to go. And so that's the good news is if you like the videos on this channel, there's going to be more of them. One thing I would like to do is also start a Patreon to incentivize more videos. I do want to say, if you're later when this happens, if you're not part of the Patreon, that's A-okay. You are still, oh man, Radeon software updates kill all of my tutorials with that little bing. So Patreon doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to get less content or locked content. What the Patreon's going to allow me to do is make more specialized content. So I hope to very quickly be getting a video out a week, and then a couple videos out a week, and then a few different style videos out a week. And what Patreon will let me do is it'll help me get a better gauge of what people are looking for. It'll help me do more specialized videos. So if you're a patron, you'd be able to vote on the specialized videos, not taking away from the general content. And I'm hoping to give access to a Discord channel as well. So probably shouldn't drop the Patreon yet. That doesn't exist right now. I'll give an announcement when it does, but you can give me your feedback on that. Should I have a Patreon channel? Would you hate me if I had a Patreon channel? That's something I want to know. Like I said, I don't plan to lock away any content, only add more content that I wouldn't normally be able to add. And that content will be available on YouTube for free. And Udemy, like I said, isn't going to take away from the YouTube content, but be something that people would be able to edit along with me and things like that. Things I can't do on YouTube, would just provide quizzes and editable materials for a project and stuff like that. Not feasibly. And so I'm really excited. Lots more content on the way. For everyone who's already subscribed and given positive comments and given me constructive criticism, I am eager to hear it, eager to take the criticism, eager to keep moving. So thank you guys so much, because you guys are what's making this possible. Now, like I said, I'm not jumping from my current job to do full-time YouTube. I'm not a full-time YouTuber yet, but I will be a full-time freelancer, which means I will have a tremendous amount more time to pour into YouTube. And I'll be having nothing but more equipment and more projects to sharpen my skills for the tutorials. So I'm excited, and I hope you are too. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time. Oh, Steven, you might see more of him on this channel. If you know our main channel, he's the co-owner of Tech Dive, where we get the Tech Dive and Tech Dive AV Club on our main channel, and he'll be doing more content and stuff too. He will not be a full-time freelancer, but you're going to see some of him on this channel as well, maybe even for some Vegas stuff. And so when you see his face, give them a hello. And you're going to see a lot more content, and we're excited to give it to you.